Olympus rolls around on the ground smoothly because it has 3 caster wheels that can turn 360 degrees. For vacuuming rugs and carpets, make sure the suction is set high. It cleaned up small particles well, such as this flour, but the vacuum does stick to the ground at times. It did a decent job on large particles like these crushed crackers, but some of them were pushed forward instead of fitting under the adjustable floor brush. On hard flooring is where the Miele Olympus excels. It did a very good job on flour, but it may take more than one pass to clean things. There is plenty of suction power on this vacuum. The large particles like these crushed crackers got pushed, so we had to lift up to get some pieces underneath. We even cleaned behind the stove where there were a ton of food particles. It cleaned this easily. We really like the push-button automatic cord rewind. It also had a great design and can be carried easily. It fits on a stair as you clean the staircase with the stair brush attachment. The upholstery brush works nicely, but make sure you adjust the suction according to the job. The Olympus should be set low to clean couches, and it can even clean your drapes and curtains. We clean pet hair easily with it. It also comes with a crevice tool, which is handy for floors and even ceilings. The filtration quality is excellent, as the air coming out of the exhaust has less particles than the air you breathe. The suction power varies according to your setting, but goes up to 80 inches of water. On quiet mode, the decibel reader was at 60, and at max suction, it was just below 75 decibels. There are 3 filters on this vacuum, not counting the vacuum bag. All of the filters are located in the same area. The air clean filter needs to be replaced after 4 full vacuum bags. The bag self-seals and is very easy to take out and put back in.